Welcome to another SCDTV review division production, and today we're going to talk about a SCAR, right? A SCAR FN MK16L or whatever. We always wanted to have a SCAR, to test a SCAR, to shoot a SCAR, and thanks to Cybergun we now have a chance. All right, this is a Cybergun trademarked SCAR manufactured by G&G, which means it's one of the best SCARs around. Okay, this is a SCAR L, which means it uses a regular AR-15 magazines. This particular model represents probably the late second generations with something of a third generation and production model. I don't quite know for sure, but it looks okay. We get these in tan or in black. This one is of course in black. Now, just like the real steel, well, the real doesn't have that much of a steel, but you have a polymer lower receiver and a aluminium alloy upper with a forearm, right? Welded in one part. The gun comes with a CQC version, which means it has a short barrel and SCAR light. Well, it is a SCAR flash hider, which you can mount a silencer onto it right on. It has a flip up front side and a backup rear side. It comes with this and this. The gun also comes with a high capacity magazine. It has G&G markings, by the way, because of the Helikon. This is Helikon. Okay, the gun comes with this very cool vertical foregrip bipod combined. Ta-da! It's called Gripod in real life, but well, it's pretty good bipod, but it's not that comfortable foregrip, so we switch it with this one. Okay, we also fitted it with our own additions like hollow sight replica, what he's doing, and a PEC-15 laser flashlight. I'm sorry, what are you doing? Okay, let's get a bit closer. Here's a closer look on our SCAR. Okay, you see, pretty cool, pretty solid flash hider. It has flip up front side, gas block, gas regulator imitation, swing swivel mount, which is very tiny and you won't fit much of them. Okay, front rail. Here we have on this upper receiver a shell ejector, right? Window. It has a working bolt catch mechanism and bolt release, because now you see I pull the charging handle and the bolt carrier imitation stayed here, so I can adjust my hop-up unit. Hop-up unit looks like a more or less regular AR-15 hop-up. It's plastic, it has green dials. It's very hard to adjust it. You need to use some kind of a multi-tool or something, because you won't do it with your bare fingers, alright? Okay, now let's press the bolt release mechanism. Pretty cool sound. Here's a ambidextrous mag release and ambidextrous working fire selector. Pretty cool. You have safe, single, auto. Pretty cool. Regular AR-15 style pistol grip. And here's the retractable buttstock. Okay, let's get to another side. Here we have a buttstock control press button or something. You can have 6 positions, right? In reality you use like about 2 of them. You have a adjustable cheek pad, and the stock folding mechanism button. Ta-da! What is really cool, the gun will fire when the stock is folded because of this, you know, cords here. You see it? So pretty cool. On this side we have a licensed trademarks, FN Hairstyle, FN SCAR L, and unfortunately we have a 6mm caliber right onto it. The trades are not exactly the same as in real gun, but well, they are licensed. That's good, right? Okay, here we have a fire selector, mag release, bolt catch, and the charging handle. The charging handle can be switched to the other side here. However, to do so you need to remove the stock completely, then you do some magic and you switch the charging handle. I prefer having it on this side. So the gun is built pretty good. No wobbling parts, very good fitting, very nice materials. I really like it. The main problem, the only problem, is the buttstock. Because the retraction mechanism, or whatever you call it, we managed to break it. Well, it's supposed to stay, but it just doesn't anymore. I don't know if it happens to many of those guns, but it happened to ours. We fixed it with some duct tape and it works pretty good. However, it doesn't look that good with the duct tape on. Okay, now how to mount the batteries, because at the beginning I knew that I have to remove the butt pad, so I did, and then I had absolutely no idea what to do next, because I had this mini Tamiya plug and absolutely no space in here to put any kind of batteries. But then I watched some YouTube movies and I knew that I had to, you know, retract the buttstock. When it's not broken, you need to push this button here. It comes off very easily, and here you have very large room for many kinds of batteries, lipos, nimbles, NCDs, or whatever. It should fit pretty handsome battery in here. We're using that kind of a lipo, 11.1, 3 cell, 1000 something milli, blah, 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 and it shoots perfectly on that kind of batteries. No problems there. I've been taking this to several skirmishes myself, and I really love it. It shoots very good as a stock AEG. The range, the rate of fire, the performance of the gearbox, well, this is one of my favorite replicas I shoot during my skirmishes, really. Okay, let's see how it performs on a GoPro footage. We adjusted the hop up. It's 25 meters to the popper, and we're gonna try if it hits the popper with 25 meters tag. Okay. No problem at all. Okay, now it's about 40 meters to the popper. Let's see if it hits it.
Yes, it does.
Okay, the accuracy test at shooting at the popper from 25 meter distance. Well, it performed excellent, and the BBs hit the single spot every time. Pick, 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 pick. Very, very good. At about 40 to 50 meters, well, we had a wind, and it wasn't that easy to hit a popper, so we prepared a bigger target, and then it hit that target very, very good at 30 to 50 meters, no problem. This is very, very accurate weapon for such a short barrel and, you know, stock build. Really, I'm really happy with this one. Okay, to sum up, this gun is around for about 5 years, 6 years. Yeah. But it's still a very, very good airsoft gun. If you want to have a SCAR and you're looking for a trade, well, there's only option with this one. But you're also looking for a performance gun out of the box, this is your choice. It's reliable and it shoots really, really good. I was really surprised how it performed against, you know, tuned AEGs. Really, it's that good in the battlefield. It has its problem, especially in the backstock compartment, but if it goes really bad, you can always, you know, buy a replacement one. They're about for 70 bucks or something. So, pretty good SCAR. Really like it. And what is more important, it accepts every magazine we ever tried it. Emax, PMax, regular shit. Maybe not particularly this one, but metal magazines, no problem, with or without insert. So again, looking for a SCAR that is reliable and shoots really good, I say go for Cybergun.